Hello dear student. So today I am again welcome you in my YouTube channel Dear Mathematics. I would like to request you, if you want to get or if you want to continue get such type of information and solution of JEE Mains and JEE Advanced examination, please subscribe my YouTube channel so that it will motivate me to make new videos for you all. So without wasting much time, let's start today's tutorial. So in this video I will speak about how to increase speed in JEE exams. So these are actually my intuition and my tips. I will suggest you, if you have your own tips, then please follow that. Don't hear others tips. Okay, if you have your own tips or if you have your own strategy for joint entrance examination, I will suggest you please follow those. Okay, don't listen to others. Always remember your heart. Okay, always follow your heart. So these are my tips what I have experienced in my GATE mathematics exam. Okay, so since the advanced JEE advanced examination is conducted by IIT, so obviously they follow almost same things in every year. So in this tutorial our main focus is how to increase the speed. That means how did I have increased my speed for my GATE examination and JAM examination. I want to tell you that in JEE Mains I got very less marks when I was in class 12. At that time I didn't have good amount of resource at those time. Okay, but I have improved myself and I have qualified JAM 2019 around 800 rank, and I have qualified GATE mathematics around 300, not around, it is all India rank 339. So from my experience I will share you the tips. First tips is, just note down all the tips. First one is revision. Again revision. Again revision. Again revision. Plus continue, do this. Revision is the most powerful thing to crack such type of joint entrance examination. It is the double star point, or you can say it is the triple star point. Revision, revision, revision. Whatever you know before exam, before 1 month of exam, just revise, or before 2 months of exam, just revise. Revision is the key thing. Okay, having too much of knowledge, in my experience, is not helpful in the joint entrance examination or getting good rank. We have to revise the topic, or what we know we have to revise those. That is the first important thing, is revision. Second key point is solve as much as problems. Solve as much as number of problems. Here the main thing is using timer. I mean, give exam. If you are in home, use stopwatch or alarm watch. Okay, give the exam. The most important thing for the second point, the sub point is using timer. And now come as analysis part. Means after this exam what you will do. The most important third point is find out, or you can say tick mark those questions you have solved in exam, or you have solved using timer. Okay, or tick mark which question. Tick mark easy question. Obviously now you are enough matured to detect the easy question, medium question and difficult one. Okay, so tick mark easy questions, and also tick mark medium type question, tick mark difficult, difficult questions, and also tick mark, most importantly wrong answer plus unattempted questions. Okay, this one double star. Okay, then third step, for the third step is read theory of wrong questions plus unattempted questions, or see the solution of these questions, wrong questions and unattempted questions. Okay, that means you're just revising the theory for this. Now the fourth step is, what is the fourth step? Fourth step is the again revise whole theory. Okay, means again, because previously you have revised so many times. Okay, after that you have started giving exams and or solving problems. Now here if you revise only for once or twice, enough, just revise whole theory. Now fifth step is solve slash give exam. Okay, most important is using timer. That means you must have to use timer. Okay, so it will make you more efficient for your exams. Okay, so in this step, fifth step, while you are giving exam, just remember this subtopic, that is solve medium type questions, because you have ticked mark at that time. While you have given the first time exams, you have ticked easy portion, medium questions, medium type of question and difficult type of question. Now while you are giving, suppose you have solved 2018 paper, previous year question paper, so while you are solving second time, you just solve the medium type questions, hard questions, and these are already marked by you in previously, and wrong plus unattempted question. You just give exam for these questions. Okay, now the most important is sixth step. It is just again do above steps again and again, So sixth number step is just repeat and repeat same thing. This 5 step, 1 2 3 4 5, just repeat those steps. Okay, so in this way you will have reduced the topics. Means in every step you are reducing the questions and topics. So you can imagine that you are getting to deeper and deeper, you are going deeper and deeper of the subjects, and in such a way you can increase more efficiency. Okay, efficiency of difficult topics. So I will suggest you that just follow above 6 steps. You will definitely see the result, that is your speed in joint entrance examination will increase. And now since you have less time for upcoming JEE advanced, exam. So I will suggest you just follow these 6 steps, and already I have uploaded one video about 7 topics. You have to only study 7 topics from mathematics, which will cover both paper 1 paper 2, almost 70% of weightage of marks. Okay, so I will suggest you go to my videos or you go to my channel. Okay, then you will see the videos. So I will suggest you see those videos and you will get more information. So if you like this, please like the video and also subscribe for more videos. Thank you so much.